topic under morphology of mammalian endocrine gland. In previous lecture, we studied the pituitary gland, thyroid gland, and about the parathyroid gland. Now we will see about the adrenal gland. Okay, so this is the structure of the adrenal gland. You can see here. So the adrenal gland are two glands that sit on the top of your kidney and that are made up of two distinct parts, the adrenal cortex and the adrenal medulla. They are also known as suprarenal gland. The adrenal glands are two triangular shaped organs that measure about 1.5 inches in height and 3 inches in length. The function of adrenal gland. The adrenal cortex and adrenal medulla have very different function. One of the main distinction between them is that hormone released by the adrenal cortex are necessary for life and those secreted by the medulla are not. यानी जो कॉर्टेक्स सिक्रेट करती है वो नेसेसरी होती है लाइफ के लिए और जो मेडुला सिक्रेट करती है इतनी इम्पोर्टेंट नहीं होती. ओके, सो द एड्रिनल ग्लैंड are small yellowish present above the kidney. You can see here they are richly vascularized. They are small in female while layer in males. Each glands weigh about 5 grams. It is composed of two distinct parts, namely outer cortex, you can see in this diagram, and inner medulla. Okay, the adrenal gland are somewhat pyramidal in shape, you can see in this diagram, and have rich blood supply. It measure above 1 to 2 inches in length and lies at the top of kidney. You can see kidney के ऊपर ये present है. Okay, adrenal gland. Okay, and the effect of adrenal cardiovascular effect. It affect the contraction of the heart muscles, resulting in rise in blood pressure, BP, pulse rate. And non-adrenaline causes greater rise in blood pressure than adrenaline. Okay. Next part is the adrenal cortex. It is outer part of the adrenal gland and it is divided into three parts. Outer layer zona glomerulosa, middle layer zona fasciculata and inner zona reticularis. Okay, so zona glomerulosa, it is the site of biosynthesis of mineralocorticoids which is responsible for the electrolyte and water balance. Second, zona fasciculata, it is associated with the production of glucocorticoids and it involved in the synthesis of glucose from amino acid and fatty acids. And zona reticularis, it is associated with the production of sex hormone. So this is about the adrenal gland. Now we will see about the pancreas. The pancreas is unique in that its both are an endocrine and the exocrine gland. In other words, the pancreas has the dual function of secreting hormone into blood, then endocrine, and secreting enzyme through ducts, exocrine. The pancreas is a 6-inch long flattened gland that lies deep within the abdomen between the stomach and the spine. It is connected to the duodenum, which is the part of the small intestine, and it secretes the insulin. The pancreas maintains the body blood glucose balance. We all know that the primary hormone of pancreas include insulin and glucagon and both regulate blood glucose level. Diabetes is the most common disorder associated with the pancreas. So